In this video, we are going to show you how to create a territory map for US population at state level. First of all, I am going to add a location layer for US population at state level. Next, I'm going to upload data to this newly created location layer. Since this data is already available from our sample dataset, I'm going to just download it from there. Come back to the upload page, upload and submit. Now the location layer is created. Next I'm going to create a territory map layer based on this location layer. Select territory type as US states, and icon the title of this layer. I'm selecting the coloring option of heat map based on data from an existing location layer. The location layer I created minutes ago is already selected, so I don't need to do anything. Click Submit. Ta-da! The territory map layer is ready. Hide the location layer to have a better look at the territory map layer. We can also open the control panel to play around a bit. Adjust the opacity. Try out different heat map color options. You can see the change is quite instant. I'm going to stick to this one. You can go to full screen to have a larger view of the map. Try out different base map options. Press Escape key to exit full screen. That's how to create a territory map using Geolytics. Hope this helps.